Making our customers happy is our #1 priority, so when one of them writes us an awesome 5-star review, we love to share it. A happy customer that leaves a review like this online ends up being a repeat customer, and that's what motivates our staff and team to serve you better. We strive hard to achieve great reviews like this. It's inspiring. We value our customers, new and old. Whether you're brand new or been through our doors before, we would like the chance to earn your business all over again. If we can help you or the people you care about, don't hesitate to call the number on your screen. Thank you for spending a bit of time with us. We hope to see you again soon.